when we deal with New Jersey estate taxes, which I'm going to talk about in a moment, there are some other issues that we want to think about. Let's just talk about gift taxes. As I mentioned, the gift tax exemption has increased from $1 million to $5 million for 2011 and 2012. It reunifies the gift and estate tax exemptions. And the gift tax exemption is indexed for inflation in increments of $10,000 starting in 2012. Mind you, the law expires at the end of 2012. And I don't know what the law is going to be in 2013. But it would revert to $1 million in 2013 without reenacting legislation. What this does is, by increasing the exemption from $1 million to $5 million, is it opens up a whole new opportunity for lawyers to do some rather sophisticated planning, which if we have time I will get to. But I have plenty of clients who have used up their $1 million exemption. And all of the good techniques to reduce estate taxes, I mean, there's very modest things that you can do in a will. All of the really good techniques are done through gifting. And for plenty of clients, they can't gift anymore unless they want to pay a gift tax. And for the last several years, trying to convince a client that it's a good idea to pay a gift tax when there was a real possibility that the estate and gift tax was going away and they wouldn't be getting a refund was not very easy to do. But now we have a gift tax, and I think people are more inclined to believe that the gift tax isn't going away after they see what we've got right now. But on a good note, we've got an extra $4 million of gift tax exemption which we can play with, and with a husband and wife we've got $8 million of exemption that we can play with. So there's a lot of real neat planning that we can do right now. And as I mentioned before, trying to convince a client to pay a gift tax over the last several years, it was not an easy thing to do because we thought that it was going away. And the simple fact of the matter is, those clients that did pay a gift tax over the last several years, they're not getting that back. Even though their gifts may have been $4 million in total, they're not getting a refund of that tax they already paid. Okay? There is some makeup for it on the estate tax return.